The City of Johannesburg's councillor, Vasco da Gama, has identified unemployment as a primary factor that's contributing to elevated crime rates, essentially blaming the African National Congress. Now, this comes as the Eldorado Park community endures persistent fear and hopelessness, facing criminal activities that include gang violence, drug trafficking, and purported police corruption. The Gama contends that the ANC is accountable for the increased rate of unemployment, which has driven an already marginalized community towards criminal behavior.
Umphakathi wase-Eldorado Park uyaqhubeka nokubhekana nengwadla yobugebengu obudlalubi kule ndawo. Lo mphakathi uhlezi usematheni ngezobugebengu kanjalo nezidakamizwa. Ngenyanga eyedlule usekela ngqongqoshe wamaphoyisa kuleli uhambele le ndawo ukuyozwa izikhalazo zala mphakathi. Kuthe ngeviki eledlule lo mphakathi waba nesiteleka uzwakalisa ukukhathala ngokuphilela ovalweni. Oyikhansela kumkhandlu waseJohannesburg uVasco da Gama uthi-ke le nkinga eyezwe lonke kwelakuleli, kanti-ke ukuntuleka kwemisebenzi kanjalo namanani okudla amba eqolo akulekeleli isimo.
It's a broader problem in South Africa, and as you know, the ANC is in charge at the national level, and obviously they've neglected things throughout the 30 years that we've got our democracy, and therefore I expect the government to start thinking of changing not only, I mean, for the past week we've heard about the VAT increase and whatever, which really does not help local communities, first of all. Secondly, that the budget must be set up in such a way that we ensure that jobs are created throughout South Africa. Without the necessary jobs, you will continue having people that have no money, that can't put bread on the table, that will go through and use criminality to ensure that they've got bread on the table at the end of the day. And therefore it's quite necessary that governments start looking at the economic situation in South Africa and start dealing with it proactively.
Iqembu le-Action SA likhiphe istatimende namhlanje lithi-ke ukukhishwa kwabomthetho abanesandla kwinkohlakalo, ukunyuswa kwesabelo mali samaphoyisa kanjalo nokuqeqeshwa ngendlela kwamaphoyisa kungalekelela ukuqeda inkinga yobugebengu kule ndawo. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikunokulunga Mthembu ngise-Eldorado Park.